We're here at Disney's Hollywood Studios in front of the 50's Prime Time Café, and we're gonna get some dinner.
And you better mind your manners, mister.
We got 2 walkie-talkies. What is that? Okay. None of my business. Come follow me. Happy birthday. There's chores for you guys to do. You gotta say, come on, sit.
We just got seated. Mary is our waitress. She's instructed us that there's not to be any elbows on the table.
It's your hydration.
Thank you.
I'm not coming back with you, little fork on the table.
Uh-oh, somebody else is getting yelled at this other table. See, we're not the only ones getting yelled at.
Uh-oh.
Oh, man. They're just like cracking down.
Put you at that table over there. Did you see his hat? He's talking about Shrek over here.
Shrimp?
Shrek.
Shrek.
Yeah. Yeah, like your hat. This man's wearing my hat from the other part.
I thought it was like Universal, like Star Wars, like Never mind. My Universal hat.
It's getting us in trouble. She's not buying that, Abby.
She's not buying it.
She's buying
She
it.
made me take my hat off. This is what my hair looks like here.
Hubby, did I not warn you about wearing that hat here?
I almost got through the entire day wearing this Universal hat at Disney, Hollywood Studios.
That is blasphemy.
All right, let's see here. Let's check out. I think I'm gonna do the Cousin Megan's traditional meatloaf or the Mom's Old Fashioned pot roast. Those both look like solid options.
Any questions?
What's your favorite from Dad's liquor cabinet?
Oh, well, I spend most of my time in the liquor cabinet. I like Dad's Electric Lemonade. Makes me boogie, woogie, woogie.
I like the boogie woogie.
Like the boogie woogie. You
With the hubby hubby.
You already boogie woogie
This
that.
is not that kind of restaurant, Mom! Oh my, I am leaving the room!
You just.
No!
Mary! You just made her run away from us, babe.
I guess you have to keep it G-rated at 50's prime time.
Check this out. It's like we're in a living room from like the 50s. So you've got like these retro-looking tables. See this? You've got like a TV over here, like an old school TV. She's coming back. She's coming back. Behave. I think they're talking about us.
I want to know what Melissa's talking about. Okay, what are we having to drink other than water?
They're talking about us. The waitress just said we need to set the table. So she said napkins on the left.
Hold on. So we're gonna do something creative here.
I think Wifey is just trying to annoy our waitress. There we go. I like it. I think we're gonna get yelled at. What do we got on TV over here, babe? Oh, it looks like we got the Dick Van Dyke Show. Just like at my grandmother's kitchen. What are you working on over there, Wifey? It's very nice.
Look, the wings go. Whoa, look at that. Whoa.
Wow. Wifey got Dad's Electric Lemonade.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You can definitely taste the Sprite in there, but it's very refreshing.
I ordered the Long Island iced tea. It's good. I never remember my grandmother making Long Island iced tea, period. But this is good. Mary just asked, she says, are you taking 37 photos? Have you tasted it yet? So accurate with this one.
This one's for you guys. I got yelled at. I should put my lightsaber on. It matches my drink.
Couldn't help but notice Dennis the Menace is on TV now. I used to watch that all the time on Nick at Night. If Mary yelled at us about our walkie-talkies and camera, she's... Uh-oh. This wasn't supposed to be a video about your lightsaber, but it's kind of worked its way into it.
But it's my birthday dinner. I unboxed my gift.
She got Princess Leia's lightsaber.
It matches my drink. Watch.
What is it? Put that thing away, it looks scary.
You are such a troublemaker.
I got a sampling of Mom's recipes, which usually comes with meatloaf. So it's the fried chicken, the pot roast, and then it comes with meatloaf. Hubby actually got the meatloaf, but I got a double helping of the pot roast. got some mashed potatoes and green beans, and I love comfort food, so I'm really looking forward to this meal. Here we go, before Mary yells at me again. I'm gonna eat my vegetables.
She's eating her vegetables first, Mary.
So I'm gonna dig into this pot roast. It looks absolutely delicious. It is just pulling right apart. That's really good. I think not even trying the chicken, that's gonna be the star of this dish.
Really
They're
tender.
known for their chicken. It's like really nice and juicy. They really fried that very well. Ooh, it's hot. Really good. Definitely the star of this plate is the pot roast, and these mashed potatoes are pretty awesome.
Hi.
Hi.
I ordered the meatloaf plate. I think it's called Megan's Homestyle Meatloaf. It's got the brown gravy with mashed potatoes and green beans. So I'm gonna start with the vegetables because Mary told me to start with my vegetables, so that's what I'm gonna do. Green beans are good. Mashed potatoes and gravy. Solid, very good. It's good. It's very comfort food like. I feel like I'm sitting in my grandmother's kitchen. Meatloaf. Everything is really good. Mom, it is not as good as your meatloaf. Nothing will ever beat your meatloaf, Mom.
I don't know how I feel about paying someone to scold me.
Look, I left them a very nice, happy face that I am sure will cheer Mary up when she comes over here. Mary, I have made a nice, happy face on my plate for you.
You have to eat vegetables. Remember what happened to AJ?
I remember, but I ate all my vegetables.
Choo-choo trains or airplanes? Choo-choo. Okay, choo-choo. Tiki wants a choo-choo. We're gonna eat all of our vegetables at Mom's house, right? Chaga, chaga, choo-choo! Yay! Okay, there's only like one more bite. This one's gonna be a bigger bite. Sorry about it. Tiki, one more! Ready? Chaga, chaga, choo-choo!
There we go.
Yay! Finally!
Personalized
We tried to make it happen, but you know the rules.
Clean plate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alyssa. Happy birthday to you.
That was probably the best birthday singing I've ever heard at a restaurant in my life.
What?
Oh.
Is it ear ringing?
Ooh, apple cobbler with some ice cream. Apple cobbler a la mode.
Yum. How is it? Oh, here is the part of the video where she's taking the food away. Here it is, folks. Mary, she's not sharing.
I gave him a spoon, Alyssa. Sharing is caring. He wanted to order too, and you wouldn't let him. This is on you.
You should share.
Sharing is
my
caring,
fault.
except for when it comes to.
Wifey is just causing more trouble here. Look what she's doing. She just put a Universal Harry Potter gift card in here.
Guess I'll be back in 1 hour.
Okay. It was her idea. It was her idea.
Take it back.
It was her idea.
I
Wifey
just
her.
gave Mary a Universal Studios gift card. I don't think she was happy she called Mom on us.
Come back to the table, wifey. Mary's not going to yell at you.
I'm gonna yell at you.
She's going to yell at you regardless.
Melissa.
Yep. You hear that?
Is it safe yet?
It's safe. You're good. Come on back.
She's behind me.
I saw you there an hour ago. Here's that and your Disney gift card.
Thank
okay,
you.
have a great night. See you at the next family reunion.
Sounds good.
All right, no tower for an hour, and Mom said we home in the street lights on his bath night.
Thank you, Mary.
Oh my god. It says, I love Disney and only Disney.
That's what you get for. That's what you get for putting a Universal gift card.
Oh my goodness. What an absolute fun time. I've never been to 50's Prime Time before, and that was
fun.
That was so fun.
That was fun.
My jaw hurts from laughing so much.
Oh
Mary
my
was
gosh.
amazing.
Mary was awesome. So if you're looking for a fun waitress, ask for Mary. She was awesome.
The food was good.
The food was good. I had the meatloaf, as you saw.
Yeah.
It was good. It was solid. After a long day at the parks, it was nice comfort food, honestly.
I would say that the pot roast was definitely the winner. I had the sampler. I didn't get meatloaf, but the pot roast was the winner on my dish with the mashed potatoes. I think just the experience of 50's Prime Time, having that server,
Elbows off the table.
Eat your veggies.
Eat your vegetables. Yeah, I got the choo-choo train vegetables. They're good sports. They're a lot of fun. If you're looking to have a fun time, at dinner and kind of have a little banter back and forth with your waitress, I would definitely check out the 50's Prime Time Café. It was a lot of fun. That's it for tonight. If you enjoyed our video, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one.
Hubby, we've got to work on your manners, though. She didn't like hubby's smiley face.
I just ate the smiley face in 2 bites.
She was not enthused. Hubby had a choo-choo train.